Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status, chilling with your boy Status. And today we're going to be doing a rack and pinion install. So, had some issues previously where I received the wrong rack and pinion from O'Reilly's, and that turned into a disaster. So we actually installed it, the rack went bad in 2 days or a day after, and attempted to try to get refunded or exchange it for the correct one due to it being their fault. But it turned out to be a giant ordeal, so we'll just move on from that from now. And we'll just worry about installing this rack and pinion here. Today should be the day that we finally get the 240 back on the street. Once the rack and pinion is installed, we'll go give it a test drive real quick, and then we'll be taking it to get a performance alignment. Alright, so this is the finished result of our project. I don't think it came out too bad. Still got this little area down here. I don't understand what exactly happened. I'm just gonna leave it there. It's not that noticeable. For the most part, I think it looks pretty dope. And it's completely protected now by the clear coat. Anyway, so this bitch is going on the car, and that should make it look pretty dope. I guess that's how not to do your rack, guys. Alright. So we got a little issue right there.
It's basically the U-joint.
U-joint's fucking screwed.
That's
so
really
it's like has a lot of play in there, as you can see.
Side to side.
So we're just gonna run to the Nissan dealership real quick and try to get a new one.
1 hour later.
Alright man, where we at?
The rack and pinion is in. We have the connecting knuckle for the steering wheel. We're taking off the inner tie rods so we can put the adjustable or the
longer ones for the angle kit.
Right, the GKTECH ones for the angle kit, and then the ball joints for the knuckles or the hubs or whatever the fuck. Knuckles,
guys.
Knuckles.
So you heard them. Just got to finish. The rack's basically in. Just got to finish taking out the outer tie rods and installing the rest of the angle kit. Then we should be 100% done.
101%.
Yeah, this should be awesome. What do you think, bro?
We're ready.
Ready to start sliding again.
Yes. And just to let you guys know, O'Reilly's did give me my money back. You know what I mean? I did get my rack warranted because they did sell me the incorrect rack originally. So really happy that I got my money back. However, I'm still doing a whole entire work order to, you know, accommodate for the time and stuff like that. So pretty badass looking angle kit though.
Yeah, now you're gonna have everything working.
The one thing I would upgrade later would be these coilovers. They're pretty old. They're like the old model. I definitely would want to upgrade to like some BC coils or Fortunatos, I mean.
Which one? Orlando Car Center.
Alright, so it's kind of hard to see. That's my phone. But we got the whole rack and everything is in. Let's see how this works. Yeah. Clear up on me. Alright, so we got the rack in. Everything's looking good. And we are now installing the tie rods. And then we just need to cut them to size and use the correct tie rod ends. So with the GKTECH kit, it comes with 3 different sizes to fit whichever setup you guys are using. And we are going to start with the shortest tie rod ends. So that way we will cut the least amount from the outer tie rods. So as you can see, they're extremely long and it gives you enough so that you can, you know, compensate for whatever setup you're using. Yeah. We're not going to be able to finish everything tonight. Unfortunately, it's pretty late, and I left some sales for the rack and pinion in my other car. So we're just gonna finish up tomorrow after I gather a few more things. Other than that, I'm still fairly happy on the progress that we made today. Got most of everything done. So, in time, but other than that, we'll call it a night. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop some comments in the comment section below. Thanks, guys. Peace out.